This data set is hypothetical educational data set that contains information about student study habits, academic backgrounds, and support system. The dependent variable, the outcome we are trying to predict, is the final exam result of the students. The independent variables, factors that may influence the final exam scores, includes study hours, the number of hours a student spends studying per week, attendance in percentage, the percentage of classes a student attends, prior GPA, the student's previous grade point average, representing the past academic performance, and tutoring, whether the student participates in extra tutorial sessions, coded as 1 yes, 0 is no. The purpose of the analysis, we are trying to predict how each of these factors, the independent variables, influence students' final exam scores. Using multiple regression analysis, we can determine the strength and the significance of each variable's effect and possibly create a predictive model that estimates a student's likely exam scores based on their study hours, attendance, prior GPA, and tutoring participation. Now, here are the step-by-step list for performing multiple regression analysis MRA in Excel. First, open Excel and input your dataset in a table format. Click on the Data tab, click Data Analysis if not available, enable the Analysis Toolpack add-in. Select Regression and click OK. Set your Y range or dependent variable. Set your X range, the independent variable. Click Labels if your first row contains variable names. Choose an output range or select New Worksheet Ply. Click OK to run the regression and review the output, including coefficients, R squared, and p-values. Now, let's begin with a step-by-step demo for performing multiple regression analysis, MRA, and in Excel. Now, let us watch this video. Now, let's do the multiple regression analysis using Excel. So first is you copy the data table in your Excel. Then we have to make sure that in the interface, you can find data analysis. If that cannot be found, what you will do is click File, then Options, then you click Add-ins, then Add-ins, then click Go. After which you click Analysis Toolpack, then OK. Now, once that is done, you can already find data analysis in your interface. So let's click Data Analysis and let's choose Regression. Now, first is you will identify the input Y range. So in this given data, our Y or the dependent variable is the final exam result. So you just drag, that is your input Y range. For the input Y, for the input X range, you choose from first column down to tutoring. Then we have to make sure that there are labels for the interpretation. Then we have to choose a cell where the data analysis will come out. So we wanted our data analysis to be beside the table. So let's choose this cell there. And you click OK. So once you click OK, you can already find the data analysis. The data analysis, we will be using this analysis in our interpretation of the data.